Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and today I'm going to be showing you another quick Instagram tip that you might not know about, this time to help you promote and share your filters by adding a swipe up link in your stories. Now usually you need 10,000 followers to add an external swipe up link that will take you to another website, but with filters you can actually do it no matter how many followers you have. So here we are on my Instagram profile. I'm on the filters tab. I'm just going to scroll down, select one at random, this most recent one where I made Lil Uzi Vert's Diamond, and you can't really see my forehead underneath, but I'm just gonna take a photo with it real quick. And what you want to do is hit this little link icon in the top, the second option here, and what that will do is allow you to add a swipe up link to a camera effect. So if you tap on camera effect, you'll be able to choose which effect you want to use. Presumably you'll be adding a swipe up link to the one that you're already using in the story. So I'm just going to leave it on this. I'm going to tap that and hit done, and you'll see the call to action has been added. So now if I add this to my story, I've already set up close friends so that it's just me on an alt account, so I can show you what it looks like. So I'm gonna add that to my story, and we'll just let that load up. Everything's looking good. So now I'm just gonna switch over to the alt account that I've set up as a close friend. Double tap, I'll go over to that page, and if we go to the home page, you'll see my story is there. If I tap on that to view it, then we have the original image. We have in the top left, you'll see the tap to use, tap to try. And then at the bottom, we now have this try Uzi Vert Diamond little call to action button. So if I hit that, it will take you directly to my filter, and you can tap around, take a story, and add it to your own story immediately. So I think it's pretty cool. It's much bigger than what you get in the top left up here, where it's like a tiny little piece of text. If you have music in there, it alternates between, it does a little carousel, and you can't always see the name of the filter fully because it gets cut off. But I think this call to action is pretty useful. I imagine most people don't know about it, so that's why I'm making this video. And yeah, there's not much more to tell you. If you found this video useful in any way, don't forget to like it, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I just passed 1,400 subscribers, so I'm pretty happy with that. But we can always do with a few more. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.